Hi there, this is Brian Gibbons with REISkills2.com. We're going to be talking about private mortgage loans, JV partners, and private lenders. But don't forget to go down this list and take a look at other things if that's what you're interested in. There's wonderful issues about financing strategies, no equity properties, and so forth. So when you're done with this video, go to REISkills2.com/blog and you'll be able to see this screen. But right now we want to talk about private mortgages. How's that work? Well, we nickname this private money. And there's three basic things we want to talk about. First thing we want to talk about is there's two types of strategies. We go after private first mortgages and JV partners. And there's difference. Here's the first part. Private first mortgages, and then JV partners will go down there. Private first mortgages has to do with working with people that have IRA money or CD money, but most of the time it's IRA money. We have custodians, and we'll teach you about that, but they're basically approved by the IRS and the Department of Labor. They use these terms called self-directed IRAs and prohibited transactions. This is Internal Revenue Code number 401. This talks about retirement planning. Self-directing a real estate investment to certain rules. The IRA owns the property, the IRA pays all the bills, the IRA rents the property out to a tenant, and the IRA sells the property. You don't do that. The IRA does that, and you got to go through this custodian to do that. It's a little complicated, but it's not too bad. So we help people get a good rate of return on their money that's fixed, and they don't have any worries. In the stock market, that's not very easy to get. All right, so that's a loan. They're acting as a bank. JV partners, they're not doing that. They're basically using their credit and their down payment money for a piece of the pie. So you get business people like busy doctors and busy dentists. You are going to find and renovate and resell, and your partner funds all these expenses. You generally form an LLC and get credit cards for the LLC in the name of the LLC. You resell the property and split the profits. We can help you with that. Now this last bit is called sugar daddy concept, and we really think that this is one of the best ways to be able to get going. You need to find somebody in the top 50, top 100 people in your town that are that wealthy, and they need loose cash. There's a lot of loose cash on the sidelines right now. So what you do is you would create an LLC. Alright, that's the first step. You and your sugar daddy, maybe $500,000 to $1 million cash, you form an LLC. If you don't have a track record, you can't do this sugar daddy concept. But we train you as far as what to say to this wealthy person. We say $100,000, that's not enough to really do a good job. You need at least $500,000. So you're going to place this $500,000 in a CD, and it's got to be in caps. You see, it's a commercial bank. It's not your Chase, it's a small, medium-sized commercial bank, and we tell you what to tell the bankers. Okay? Now the business plan is going to say, the bank's going to fund 80% of the appraisal, not the purchase price, and you don't need any money. So you can buy this thing subject to, or however you want to buy it. You can do about 5 houses a month, and so you buy on subject to, or land contract, or all cash at a discount. So if you don't understand that, look at the buying section, and I'll go through that. All cash at a discount, you just go in there really hard, all cash. And if you get it under 80%, you might actually get some money in your hand to do any kind of renovation or whatever else you need. So this is an overview of basically private money. Please make sure that you email us if you've got any questions, but review this site, because we tend to use private money quite a bit. We avoid banks. So this is Brian Gibbons. Please email me at team@reiskills.com. That's team@reiskills.com. Be happy to help you any way we can. Thanks very much for listening. Look at the site and the other sections, and I hope we wish you the very best. See you at the top now. Bye-bye.